Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video we are going to see how to download and install any Everycom thermal printer driver in any Windows PC or laptop. Example as Windows 10, 8, 8.8, 8.1, 7, Windows 11. It's work with the all Windows operating system. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First of all, go to the start and here type control panel and click on the control panel. In a control panel, change categories to the large icons, and here find devices and printers. Click on devices and printers. In a devices and printer, at the top we find add a printer. Click on add a printer, close it, and here we find many options. The main option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Here you find add a printer. In add a printer, there are two options for our Everycom thermal printer. First is that you can use Bluetooth, and second option is the USB cable. If you're using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, then go to here, and if you're using your USB cable, then go to here. I am using USB cable, so I click on the add a local printer or network printer with menu settings, last option, and click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Select that and click it here and select any USB port that you find. USB 0.1, USB 0.2, USB 0.3, USB 0.4. Select any USB port that you find and click on the next. Here we find Everycxx. Click on Everycxx. Sorry, not Everycxx. Here we find manufacturer. In a manufacturer we find generic. Select generic in a manufacturer. In a printer list, find generic text only. Select generic text only and click on the next. Here we find printer name. Give any printer name that you like. I give Everycom. I type Everycom, and then you can type any printer name that you like. It's support all thermal printer of the Everycom. Okay, after that click on the next. It's install our printer in a few seconds. After that, if you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option, and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is working or not and change our printer settings if you want. Okay, then go to the start and type printers and settings or type control panel. In a control panel, devices and printers. In a devices and printers, find your printer name. Go to your printer name, right click on that, and this time go to the printer properties. Go to the printer properties. In a printer properties, here we find some options. First is the device settings. Go to the device settings. From here you can change the size of your printer and click on apply. Also go to the security journal. In a journal, here we find preferences. Go to the preferences from here, and in a preferences change orientation from portrait to the landscape, portrait or landscape. And if you want to change a page size, then go to the advanced and go to the here page size and select your printer page size or create a page size, or go to this page size, that page size that you want, and click on OK, and click on OK and restart your PC and then restart your printer, and that's all. Your printer is now working on your Windows 10, 7, 8, 8.1 or any Windows PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.